Hello there. Let's see how easy it is to integrate sales frameworks into HubSpot using the Meddicc Score plugin. First, go to the HubSpot marketplace and search for Meddicc Score. On the right side, click Install, and then you will be asked to choose the HubSpot account where you want to add it. Next, you'll be asked to accept the permissions. This simply allows Meddicc Score to connect securely to your HubSpot data. Once you confirm, the app connects automatically. After installation, you'll view setup instructions to configure your cards. That's where the fun begins. Let's see how to set them up step by step. There are several places where the Meddicc Score can appear inside HubSpot. For example, it can be displayed on the right sidebar of a deal record. It can also appear in the middle column of the deal view. Additionally, within company or contact records, you can choose to display Meddicc Score in the right sidebar or the middle section. Simply select your preferred location from the Settings content panel. You can also customize the view of our deal records in HubSpot. For example, when you open a deal record, you can click Customize and choose which views or sections we want to display. This is also where we can add our Meddicc cards. Let's try it out. Create a new tab called Meddicc, and then add a card to it. In the card library, select Apps. Here we'll find the Meddicc Summary card. Add it to the view and click on Close. Now let's also add it to the right sidebar. Click on the top right, Add Card. Open the card library, select Apps, Meddicc Score, then click Save and Exit. When we return to our deal, we'll now see the Meddicc Score displayed both in the right sidebar and in the middle section. So, ready to boost your sales? Install Meddicc Score from the HubSpot marketplace and test it for free during 30 days. Get started today.